Piece of me keeps pulling on you like an anchor's weight. I see a distant storm and wanna keep you close at bay. I only want the best for you, that's true, make no mistake. In time you'll see the best of me, a clearing of the rain. Never give up.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something a little bit different and I'm super excited about it. Today we are going to do the 5-minute tidy challenge. Now this idea is super fun. I originally saw it on Jessie Christine's channel, and then a few of my friends, Heather and Carly, have done this challenge as well, and I thought that it would be fun to try in my own home. So what it is I'm going to be going through my house room by room, giving myself 5 minutes in each room just to see how much I can actually accomplish in that time. Everyone that I've talked to told me that it really surprises you how much you can get done in 5 minutes, and it motivates you to clean. So that's what we're going to do today, so let's get started.
Why can't we be friends? It was so much easier before we got our feelings hurt, and I can't pretend that it's easy. Why can't we be friends? I used to be so close to you. What's somebody supposed to do now? 'Cause I can't pretend that it's easy. Why can't we be friends?
So I'm starting in my kitchen for this challenge, but typical mom life, I got interrupted. A child had gotten hurt and needed a band-aid, so I had to pause for a moment before I could continue. But that's real life, and even with trying to clean in 5-minute intervals, it was hilarious how many times I actually got interrupted.
We used to be thick as thieves, hanging every night. Man, I miss those days. God, I miss those times. Something changed, it got weird and we don't know why. We can't talk about what we're thinking now. All I really wanna do is hang out. Voicemail told me you're busy now. Well, I know what you said, but I don't understand it. Why can't we be friends?
So I didn't get a lot done in this kitchen. I'm going to say that this kitchen is going to be like 5-minute tidy areas because there's just no way. I have a ton of dishes to do. Yeah. So we're gonna try to move on, and then I'll tell you at the end how long it actually took me in this kitchen. But it's gonna be more than 5 minutes, so let's just see. I'm gonna restart it and we can see what else we can get done.
Before we jump into the rest of the challenge, I wanted to go ahead and take a moment and introduce you to my friend Libby from Hello Mama. Libby is one of my favorite YouTube friends, and today I am collaborating with her, and she is going to be doing the 5-minute tidy challenge as well. You are going to love her channel. She features tons of motherhood content, shopping hauls, grocery hauls, unboxings, etc. She is the cutest little 3-year-old, and I know that you are going to love her channel. So please be sure to check her out in my description box when you are finished with mine.
So much easier before we got our feelings hurt, and I can't pretend that it's easy. Why can't we be friends? I used to be so close to you. Now what's somebody supposed to do now? 'Cause I can't pretend that it's easy. Why can't we be friends? I guess it makes sense 'cause we probably got too close. I am sorry for not being more careful. But tell me the problem, we're finally feeling no. I was free around you. I felt like me around you.
So I wanted to take a moment and formally introduce myself to any of you who may be new, or if you are stopping by from Libby's channel for the first time. My name is Sarah. I am a mommy to 5, and I am currently pregnant with our 6th baby. We are having a baby girl come the end of August, and we are so excited. But on my channel, I produce weekly cleaning motivation, and it is my goal to really just give my viewers a realistic look at how you clean during motherhood. I never want to put out the persona that life is always perfect and that my house is always perfect, because that would be a lie. But as you can imagine, with 5 kids, there's always something to clean. So I figured I might as well motivate you along the way. I also have a love for all things home decor and home renovation, and I love sharing that process with my viewers, and I have a lot of fun renovations getting ready to come up. So I would love to have you subscribe to my channel if you are new. Please let me know in the comments below that you did. I love making new friends here on YouTube.
Every time we're in the same room, our friends are around.
Let's finish the kitchen aside from the dishes. My dishwasher right now is still running, so I'm going to wait till that cycle finishes, and then we will tackle those dishes, because I'm sure those will take 5 minutes in and of themselves. But I finished all that with 1 minute left to spare. So total on the kitchen, it took like 14 minutes. Not too bad. Like I said, that's not dishes. So obviously the kitchen is the hardest room in the house to clean, but still, that's pretty good.
When you're only counting time till the continents collide, but out your window, going somewhere new, I see it through. And the hand of fate that I drew had me down and out, but I've come to. And yeah, I poured out my soul, what I can undo, but I see it through.
So this challenge is much more difficult than I thought it would be. It actually amazed me how fast 5 minutes would fly by. I felt like I was able to clean like some areas super quick and super efficiently, and then some areas I was like, there is no way 5 minutes has passed already. Obviously, what's not being seen behind the scenes is the fact that I actually had my 5 kids here plus 3 other kids. So 8 kids total in my house. They were playing outside and in the basement during this time, but behind the scenes I was being interrupted probably every, 30 seconds. So I had to keep pausing and restarting the clock.
I know the skies will open for you, and the stars, they all turn blue. Let the morning sun come to your rescue. I see it through. And out your window, you're going somewhere new.
Okay, so I finished this with 2 minutes and 34 seconds to spare. So this entire room took me like 8 minutes. That's not too shabby.
See it through. When the lies stick close to the truth, and the night is closing on you.
We are now moving into the very messy formal dining room / the catch-all room. Ignore all the decor on this table right now. That is actually going to be used in an upcoming video. We are currently in the process of renovating our laundry room, and I'm going for like a boho farmhouse design, and I love all of the pieces that I found for it. But as of right now, they are just sitting on this table until we can actually finish the renovation and put them in their rightful spots. So this room right now is a little bit more cluttered than it normally is, but that's real life.
And when you're feeling small, oh, you're bulletproof. I see it through. And out your window, you're going somewhere new. I see it through.
moving on to the entryway, I am fully confident that I can get this space completed in 5 minutes. It's not super dirty and it just needs a good wipe down, vacuum, and sweeping, and then it should be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and challenge myself and say I cannot go over the 5-minute time on this space.
You don't get me high like you used to. You've been bringing me down. I'm petrified that I could lose you, 'cause you're a part of me now. Honestly, I wish I never met you. I wish we could go back. I wish I could forget you, but I can't. No.
So I was able to get the entryway done in 5 minutes. I did have to factor in like moving the camera around a little bit, so my timer went off as I was vacuuming the stairs. But like I said, once you like factor in moving the camera around, it kind of takes at least like a few seconds away. So I would say that was pretty good.
I don't wanna laugh, I don't wanna laugh. I don't wanna love you anymore. This is not enough, this is not enough. This is not enough for me anymore. I don't wanna let you go, but baby, when you know, you know, you know. I don't wanna laugh, I don't wanna laugh. I don't wanna love you. We don't synchronize like we need to.
Yeah.
We've been drifting apart. I can't control, I'll delete you. Keep running back to the start. Honestly, your love is a straitjacket. A hug so tight I can't breathe. My hotel, California, I can't leave. No, I don't wanna laugh, I don't.
I literally finished that room like right on time. The timer just went off. So 5 minutes total for this front room.
We are now moving outside. As you can clearly see, I had let the little ones eat out here. Like I said, I had 8 kids at my house today, and they've been playing outside in the sprinkler, in the baby pool, etc. So this patio space kind of just needed a quick reset. So I figured I could probably get this reset in 5 minutes, and then it would stop like daunting me every time I looked out of my window.
I know it's not in my head. I'm tracing the outlines. It feels like the first time. I float on light as the air. I've set my pride aside, and it feels like the first time. It passes over. The taking of what can't be stolen. The getting lost inside a moment. Years beat.
So I finished the patio with time to spare, but like I said, more towards my introduction, my goal is to bring you guys a realistic look into motherhood and cleaning, and this is it. Remember that table and kitchen that I cleaned at the beginning of this video? Well, this is the current state of it after lunch. Like I said, I was feeding 8 children today, so it was bound to get very messy, but I am going to go ahead and set my timer once again and knock out this kitchen once again. Fun times.
Walk away, dust will fade. Gone, but you see from the inside, and it feels like you stopped time. Years betray, walk away, dust will fade. Gone, but you see from the inside, and it feels like you stopped time.
So if I was rating myself on this challenge, I would say that I definitely failed. I only accomplished 2 rooms in the time that was allotted, and every other room I had to add time. So the 5-minute tidy challenge may not be for me. It might be more of like a 10-minute challenge. That might be more realistic. Obviously, I still didn't finish everything. The dishes were still drying in the dishwasher, so I never got to those, but I was able to get quite a few rooms accomplished. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and go check out Libby's channel in the description box below. I'm also going to go ahead and link right here in the end card some more cleaning motivation, so be sure to check those out.
Silent